Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Sandra's Kids, and today I'm here with Ava, and wait a minute, where did she go? Ava? Hey! She's hanging out in her box fort. Oh, we got animals, and we actually added a little like animal carpet theme down here because we got this special box from Hasbro, and we're kind of shaking it, trying to see what's inside, and wait a minute. We heard a puppy! Here, Ava, do you want to listen? Here we go. Here, Ava, here. Oh yeah, it's a little puppy. So, we figured we've been having so much fun with our Valentine's Day little box fort, which honestly is awesome. We have a door, we have this window with a curtain, it's super fun. So wait, before we open our mystery puppy or whatever it is from Hasbro, this is brand new for 2018 though, by the way, for the toy fair. We're going to make a puppy dog house box fort, which I think would be super cute. So really for this, all you need is one box, and then I cut this out just from like the top flaps of the box. And we'll put this on top like this to kind of be like the little arch for the puppy house. But next, you need to cut out this, and we'll decorate it too. So I'm going to cut it kind of like a little archway for the puppy and for Ava to climb in. Only parents can use a box cutter, so keep that in mind. If you need help, ask your parents. Yep, you can go in the box too. So we'll make it kind of big, and I'll cut it this way. And we'll arch it like this. There we go. Okay, there's one. I'll kind of mirror it on the other side here. Down. Okay, so let's kick it out. 1, 2, 3, hiya! There we go. That's cool. Okay, so there's that. Let's see, do you like it?
Yeah.
Go make your best dog bark. Arf, arf. Arf, arf. Oh, there we go. And then this part right here, we will tape on. So let me grab our tape, and then we can decorate it together too. Alrighty, so I can tape this, just kind of like add some tape here, and then twist it here to kind of hold it up like this. And then I'll use some glue dots too. So do like this. Same thing on the other side. So like, ooh, we'll match it up like this. And then twist it, go like that. And then we'll use some of these glue dots here. Do like just a couple on the side. So like 1, 2 on the sides like this. Okay, and then we'll stick it and press really hard. There we go. Okay, that works pretty well. And then press it in so it holds together. Okay, so that's actually really strong. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so we have this. And then we decorated some cute little puppy bones, which we could put on here. And we pre-cut some little paw prints too, and this will be like super adorable, so we'll add those. Alrighty, so I'm going to cover up this box logo just with a name. What do you want to name your puppy?
Ava Jr.
Aw, Ava Jr. That'd be cute. So A-V-A-J-R period. Like this, and then a cute like little paw print on the side here, and we'll hang this up here. Probably just like this should be good. Okay, like that. There we go. That's cute. And then I'll get another piece of tape. Oh, that's cute. I like it. So just put it like this, and then we'll have it like one like this. And then we add the little circles. Are you going to color on it? Yeah. Okay, color away. And that's the cool thing about a box fort. You can kind of do whatever you'd like with it. So, oh, you did a little paw print. That's cute. And I'm going to add one right here. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, draw a puppy. Draw a little Ava Jr. puppy. And then once we have this decorated, then we'll open up our big Hasbro box, because I can't wait to see the puppy inside, but also there's like a lot of other surprise toys for 2018 that will be at the toy fair. So, here we go, little paw print. Oh, that's like the cutest. You're drawing like a little box puppy. That's adorable. I love your puppy. Is that like a little Ava Jr. puppy, or is that another puppy?
It's a
A little Ava puppy, that's so cute. I like the sign. This will turn out really well.
I'm gonna do some on the roof.
Okay. That'd be cute. Okay, and I'm gonna add another little paw print right here. Ta-da! Our box fort doggy house is complete.
I hope he likes the dog house.
Oh yeah.
It's cute.
It is super cute. You did a good job. Wait, let's see you. Let's see you in there. Oh my goodness. Well, I think it will fit you and a puppy. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open up.
My baby fits in.
Yeah, all your little stuffed animals can fit in there? Okay. Let's open this up. I'm excited. Okay.
They want to see the puppy.
Okay, let's see. So here's the blue paper. What is the thing that was barking? That'd be hilarious if there's no puppy in here. Oh wait, here it is! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! Shaggy Sean. So it's like a little puppy that you cut a tear. Oh, there we go. That's the puppy sound we were hearing. Yeah. Oh wait, Moana. That's cool. Okay, should we open everything? Okay, let me get our puppy out too. You open those. I'll get our puppy out so it can go in the dog house. Cool. Wait, let me see. Oh, stencil and design, Moana. Oh, so you can stencil and design color on her dress. That's cute. That's really cool.
Oh, cute.
Oh, some more Little Kingdom dolls. These are cool. These came out maybe 2 years ago. I remember when they first came out. What, the trolls? No way! No way, look, it's a puppy! Let's see, Camp Critter Pod? That's cool. That's really cute. Okay, wait. A baby alive! Oh, she's cute. She's really cute. Oh, you can make her a sweet spoonful baby. You can mix her own food. Wait, what's that? No way, Iron Man and Mr. Potato Head! Oh my goodness, this is insane. And, oh my goodness, oh, this is cool. It's, okay, magical movers. So this bell, she kind of moves like a little ballerina. That's cool. Oh, it's like a spinning top, kind of. You like pull this string and then she's like, shroop. Is that everything? Can we get our puppy out now? Okay, hey, this box we could probably use for box for like another expansion later. Okay, let's get our puppy out and make sure to like this video too if you like our puppy and our dog house. Okay, let me cut this out. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so here's, whoa. Oh, this cutter is cool. Here, do you want to press it? So you press the purple button. Let me get him out the rest of the way. He's one shaggy dog.
Now he can go to the store.
Oh yeah, get him in this dog house. He's like, arf, arf, arf. Here, go inside with him. He's like, my house. Oh, it looks like our little puppy is really liking his dog house, but you know what puppies really like is grass. So, here we can add like a little kind of like puppy run for him. So, let's see, let's move this here. Oh, Ava, can you grab our puppy? Ava Jr.? There we go. And then I'll lift this up. There we go. Okay. How's that? Okay, so then actually we can kind of push it in a little more. There we go. Okay, here we go. And now Ava Jr. has a place to run. It's like totally going crazy. So, and then, oh wait. Should we play with some other puppies? Wait, 1 second. Puppy party! It's like, oh, and then we can cut his hair.
What about this?
Oh, their hair too. You can do that. This is adorable. You know what? He can sleep. Hey, Ava, look at this. He can sleep up here, and you can sleep in the house if you wanted to. Wouldn't that be cute? Here, go in the puppy house. He's like, yeah, you need some blankies. There we go. That's very sweet of you. Climb on in.
It's because the grass. I want to go.
You want to go in here, or do you want to stay in your house? Maybe we can have the puppy. You want to go in yours?
Yeah.
Okay, go in yours. There we go. And then he can stay down here. There we go. Yeah, he needs just one little dinky. There we go. There we go. Aww, he's so cute. Look how cute he is. This is like the best little doghouse. And then later too, we can play with all of our other toys. So make sure to like this video, and in the comments too, let us know what we should open next. If we should open our trolls, the Moana. I kind of agree. So you want to? So Ava votes Moana. There's trolls. There's Elsa or Mr. Potato Head. I kind of say Moana too because I really like Moana.